Hello friends, in the previous class we were discussing about the Permanent Commission to the Women in Defence Forces. Today we will discuss about the Manodarpan initiative. This Manodarpan initiative has been launched by HRD Ministry, that is Human Resource Development Ministry, under Atmanirbhar Bharat Andolan. This Manodarpan initiative will provide psychosocial support to the students for their mental well-being. So you can see in this time of coronavirus crisis, many students are worried, they are tensed, they are depressed about the career because the examination are not taking place. That's why they are worried. So this initiative will act like a support to them and can help them to come out of the difficult time. Now, why this initiative has been launched under Atmanirbhar Bharat Andolan? You see, government has allotted fund of rupees 20 lakh crore to support the sectors so that India can become self-reliant. This 20 lakh crore will be given to the sectors which can make India self-reliant. These sectors are like, for example, agriculture, animal husbandry, fisheries, dairy, horticulture, MSME, etc. So these sectors will require a effective workforce in future. So to have the quality workforce in future, this initiative will help to provide such qualities of workforce. I want to draw your attention to the act known as Mental Health Care Act of 2017. This Mental Health Care Act of 2017 will tell you that government is very much concerned and very much critical about the mental health care of the people. Section 21 and clause number 4 of this act, that is Mental Health Care Act, Section 21 clause 4, tells us about that mental illness should be covered under insurance policy. Okay, so these insurance companies are not taking these things very seriously. They were not including the mental health care in their policies. So in the current news, what you can see is Supreme Court has asked IRDAI, which stands for Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. This IRDAI is the solely authority which is responsible to give directions to the insurance company. So Supreme Court has asked IRDAI to give directions to the insurance company so that they can give cover on mental illness. These are the latest update, so I will be keeping you aware. The next lecture will be based on Essential Commodity Act. So that's all for today. Thank you.